world-class education.
Hi, this is Raja Kanithan of grade 2. I am going to do super speaker the sunflower called Goldie watching plant grow seed. Ignited happens Maria pot soil just planted into them. Mother put weak cupped up little. Thank you, love you all.